Hi, welcome to Raina's Kitchen. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, welcome. And if this is not your first time, thank you for stopping by again and seeing what I'm up to in the kitchen. Right now, I am just throwing a couple of things together. Appetizers. I am having a sleepover tonight. A couple of my girlfriends are coming over, and we're having a sleepover. So I'm going to make some spinach dip, and I'm gonna make some buffalo chicken bites. So that's what I'm doing. I figured since I'm making it, I might as well just turn the camera on. I'm not really gonna be talking. I'm just gonna be cooking, just showing you what I'm doing. I'm excited about my sleepover. I can't wait till they get here, and I'm more excited about. I haven't had spinach dip in so long, so I'm about to make that. So let me get started. I'm gonna start with the spinach dip. I'm using frozen spinach today. You can use fresh spinach, of course, but I'm sour cream, garlic, cream cheese, some cheeses, Monterey, mozzarella, sharp cheddar, mayonnaise, onion, and all right, let me get started. I want to hurry up. In my head. All right, so I have some onion in here, I have garlic, and I just put some beef broth in there. All right, so here's my drained spinach. I had frozen spinach, so I had to thaw it out and let it. All right, so gonna add some mayonnaise. Yeah, I'm using mayonnaise today. I'm sorry, I'm so rushing because it's six something now. They're gonna be here soon. I don't want to be up and cooking when they get here. I want to have this done. I should have planned to do this earlier, but I just got home. So I'm just going to mix this together. Add some crushed red peppers. I don't know if I showed you. Sour cream. Cream cheese. Crushed pepper. Cayenne pepper. All right, so this is the butter, minced garlic, and the beef broth that I mixed together, and the onion. Did I say onion? Yeah, I think so. I'm just gonna mix all of this in. Let me see what it tastes like. If I need any more seasoning. Oh gosh, this is good. Mm-hmm. Let me see. This is really good. I'm trying to see if I'm going to add some more salt, some type of seasoning to it. But let me just add a tad bit of this Knorr. Sauce. Yes, I'm adding hot sauce. Let me taste. All right, we're good to go. You can use whatever cheese you want in here. I'm using Monterey, sharp cheddar, and mozzarella. Y'all, I am telling you, this is gonna be good. All right, so mixing these in. Cheesy spinach dip, y'all. Quick and easy. Just put it right in. Some more cheese. You can't have enough cheese, y'all. I'm telling you, you can't have enough. I'm so sorry, I'm rushing to do this. I'm not really talking. Alright guys, so I have a couple pieces of turkey bacon. I'm using turkey bacon. I like turkey bacon. I like pork bacon too, but I eat more turkey bacon than pork bacon. All that in there. Add some more sour cream. So I added some bacon on there. Here is this. I'm going to put it in the oven now. Alright guys, I'm back. Hey, alright, sorry. I'm back. Alright, so I have the spinach dip in the oven, and now I'm about to make the chicken bites. So one of my friends, she said she's on her way right now, so let me get started. So I just have, I got a pack of chicken breast strips, and I'm just going to cut them up. I'm going to cut them up into little bite-sized pieces. I'm going to cut them up now. I have some flour and some egg. Because I know it, so let me hurry up and get this done. These are quick and easy appetizer recipes. I should have just made chicken tenders. That's what I should have did. I should have just made chicken tenders. I'm making a mess, y'all. Because I want everything to be nice and... Yeah, put your hand in that meat. You can't be afraid. Alright. So just check the oil, and the oil is hot. I'm just going to finish mixing this in. Put it in the flour. Got me some egg mixture here. Mix that in the egg. Alright, I'm back. This is the spinach dip. I just took out the oven and I added some bacon, and I put bacon here on top. It's nice and cheesy. And I finished my buffalo chicken wings. Well, my buffalo chicken bites I have. And I put them on toothpicks. I didn't finish showing you the rest of it. I put it in some buffalo sauce, put it in the oven, put it on toothpicks, and here they are. So these are quick and easy snacks that you can make for anything. I told you I'm making it for my sleepover tonight. And my ladies are here right now. So we're going to get in, and I'll see you next time. If you haven't subscribed already, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. And thank you for watching. See you next time.